A lot of Americans are asking the same question right now. If I'm earning more money than I did a few years ago, why do I still feel broke? You work hard, you get promoted, your paycheck gets bigger, but somehow it never feels like enough. Groceries cost more, rent cost more, insurance cost more. And by the end of the month, you're left wondering where all that extra money went. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the reason might be more psychological than financial. Meet Alex. A few years ago, Alex was making $45,000 a year. Life wasn't easy, but he had a simple belief. Once I make more money, everything will get better. Then it happened. A promotion. A bigger paycheck. For the first time, Alex felt like he was finally getting ahead. But a few months later, something strange happened. The excitement faded, the stress returned, and despite earning more money than ever before, he still didn't feel financially secure. So what happened? The old apartment became a nicer apartment. The old phone became the newest phone. The occasional coffee became a daily habit. A few subscriptions quietly became many. None of these choices seemed irresponsible. In fact, they all felt reasonable. But together, they created a new problem. Alex hadn't built a wealthier life, he had built a more expensive one. Psychologists have a name for this: lifestyle inflation. When your income goes up, your expectations often go up too. The things that once felt exciting quickly become normal. The raise becomes expected. The upgrade becomes ordinary. And before long, your brain starts chasing the next improvement. Not because you're bad with money, not because you're careless, because that's what humans naturally do. We adapt fast. And that's the hidden trap. Most people think wealth is created by earning more, but wealth is often determined by what happens after the paycheck arrives. Someone earning $60,000 while controlling their lifestyle can end up wealthier than someone earning $150,000 while constantly upgrading theirs, because income creates opportunity, but behavior determines the outcome. So maybe the real question isn't, how much money do I make? Maybe it's, how much of every raise disappears before I even notice it? Because for millions of Americans, that answer may explain why earning more still doesn't feel like enough.